Chapter 15. Some Natural Phenomena. Introduction. Natural phenomena are the non-artificial events that occurs in the physical sense. Volcanic eruptions, lightning, and earthquakes are some common examples of natural phenomena. They are considered dangerous and lead to the death on a large scale. Lightning. You might have seen a spark when a plug is loose in its socket. When the wind is blowing strongly, the electrical wire shake and produce a spark on the electrical pole. Lightning is an atmospheric spark accompanied by the thunder, which typically occurs during the thunderstorm. Safety during lightning. It is necessary that we ensure safety during lightning. We should follow the following steps to stay safe from lightning. Avoid standing under or near tall trees or buildings. Avoid touching the metallic objects like TV antenna or metal rod. If caught outside, you should not use an umbrella. During lightning, you should stay inside the vehicle while traveling. Earthquake. The inside structure of the earth consists of three main layers: the outer hard crust, the middle soft mantle, and a central extremely hot core. The outer crust is broken into massive, irregular pieces and tectonic plates. Due to convection, currents taking place in the mantle, the plates of Earth's crust are moving around very slowly. This causes an earthquake. Safety during earthquake. The following precautions to be taken when the earthquake occurs. Do not panic and scream. When you are inside a building, take shelter under the table till the shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are outdoors, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees, and overhead power lines. Do not drive and do not park your vehicles under a bridge. Electrical charges produced by rubbing. You must have observed your hair strands on your body when you pull off your sweater on a winter night. What happens when you bring a comb near to the pieces of paper? Nothing. The comb will not have any effect on them. Now rigorously rub the comb on your hair and bring it near the tiny pieces of paper. Make sure that both the comb and the hair should be dry. What do you observe? You will find that the tiny pieces of paper get attracted to the comb. It can be explained as follows. Initially, the comb was electrically neutral, so it has no effects on the tiny pieces of paper. But when the comb was rubbed against the hair, it acquired electrical charge. This electrically charged comb produces an electrostatic force on the tiny pieces of paper and attracts them. Nature of charges. There are two types of charges exist in nature. Positive charge, represented as plus, and negative charge, which is represented as minus. When you rub a glass rod with a silk cloth, the silk cloth becomes negatively charged, while the glass rod becomes positively charged. This also explains why two bodies rubbed against each other acquire equal and opposite charge. Lightning in terms of electrical charges. Lightning is an electrical spark on a large scale that usually occurs during the thunderstorm. During thunderstorm, air current moves up while the water droplets move down at the very high speed. Thus, the air current and water droplets rub each other and get charged. This causes the clouds to acquire the electrical charge. The lighter water droplets acquire positive charge and being lighter move to the upper part of the clouds. Bigger droplets acquire negative charge and being heavier move to the lower part of the clouds. When two clouds with unlike charges come near to each other, there can be a very heavy discharge between them. Huge amount of energy is released in the form of heat, light and sound. This is the lightning we see and the thunder we hear during the storm. Lightning conductor. The lightning conductor is a shielding device which is used to protect the buildings, especially where the protection is mandatory, such as storage tanks for petroleum products, warehouses for explosives, and so on. It consists of a metallic rod whose looser end is connected to a thick copper plate which is buried deep into the earth to dissipate any charge received by it. When lightning strikes, the lightning conductor provides an easy path for the charge to pass the earth to protect the building.